don't know, D-Shade 876 representing for 876Muzik, you see me? Right now we have the artist named Hink45, you see me? Yeah man, we do an interview with him, you see me? Yeah man, taxi them loaded after 3, I don't know the thing set, you see me? You subscribe to the channel man, 876Muzik, you see me? Share the video them, like the video them, and I don't know, you see me? Interact, comment and all them things there, you know? Yeah, so me that say, yo, the artist name Hink45 I got on some things right now, you see me? Man known for his song name Chopper. Wow, you see me? But right now I'm have a whole heap of material out there, you see me? Outside, some new thing out there, you see me? Right now an EP all a drop. So do an interview, check out the information, see what I go on. Cross out records, big up on yourself. And I don't know the things set, you see me? That's alright. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah man.
How did you get this name, Hink45?
Well, the name Hink45 derived from friends, you know, close friends. Well, all of my friends them Hink, so as the name self-explanatory, Hink, so get the name Hink just by the love for tattoo and everything, you know. So that is how the name Hink derived. Yeah, just cover me.
So how long now have you portrayed this name Hink45? How long now?
Well, the name Hink45, I've been officially using the name Hink45 for a year now because of music purpose, just learning the music and the business aspects of it. So the name Hink45 is basically the brand right now, but the name Hink has always been there. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so where are you coming from? Yeah.
Right. So where am I coming from? Simply 45 to dust. And why I said 45 to dust is basically where I'm coming from. The transition from a footballer to a musician. So I was actually a footballer. So as it relates to where I'm coming from, what I do for football. So 45 to dust. Yeah.
Okay. So so the name of your team is 45 to dust, or is Dust Government? What is it? What's the name of the team?
The name of the team, Dust Government. Dust Government is the group, you know, that represent the brand Hink45, Dust Government, you know, the syndicate of friends, you know, close musical friends with the same vision and journey. So everybody can find under one umbrella, and that's a Dust Government, you know, so that's the team right now, Dust Government.
Okay. Alright, so tell us what's the name of your recent projects or single you're currently working on now?
Well, we have a lot of projects, but the most recent projects was yesterday. Yesterday we released the first single of the EP 45 to Dust, as I just outlined. So the first single was Ocean, you know, that was the first single, the most recent single, Ocean. But there's a lot of singles because we've been working throughout 2021, coming into 2022, preparing for 2022. But the most recent work is Ocean, yeah, produced by Grey, the Grey Show, you know. They're my team first out, you know.
Okay. Alright, so tell us your top 3 songs for 2021, what you worked on.
Top 3 song, the most played song that people know, Hink, you know, Chopper Walk. That follows up with Chopper Style. Chopper Walk produced by G-Slicks, TBG over in Antigua. And Chopper Style, same G-Slicks, TBG, Tashid Music. And most recent now, Polo movie, but there's a lot of content and a lot of material, you know. Benz produced by Main Focus Records, that are one of the producers on my team, you know. There's a lot of content and a lot of music. So we've been, you know, preparing and working throughout 2021.
What's your favorite thing about music?
Well, favorite thing about music, as in music kinda eclectic, but my favorite thing about music is the expression. Music kinda gives an expression of life, you know, because every music symbolizes a different meaning and feeling and texture. Any feeling, any emotion you have, there's a music that can associate with that element. So there and then. I like most about the music is the expression, the expression.
Okay. Okay, so name a few type of music or songs you like.
Well, musician, I like a lot of type of music. As I say, I'm kind of eclectic as it relates to music because music is eclectic and music evolve. But I like dancer first, when I grew up dancer, but we mostly listen hip hop and like a kind of contemporary music, a kind of rockative, rockative kind of music. Hip hop, hardcore hip hop music. Yeah.
So tell us about a couple of stage shows or performance you have done in 2021 leading up to now.
Well, for 2021 we was basically branding out, so a lot of stage shows as it relates to stage shows in and around the area. Cause there's COVID is about, so party is kinda illegal and such, but we have a lot of work and we did a couple stage shows and such, 10 Point, next artist again, big up 10 Point, bro, Murder Code. Yeah, so we've been getting out there, as I told you, for 2021 was just trying to pay homage, pay homage to the music, learn more, get the music financially, learn the financial aspect of the music, the business aspect of the music, and still keep the circle small. So, but we've been doing a lot of stage shows in and around the areas, Yeah.
Okay. Otherwise, from music, do you do anything else? You have any business you run, anything other than music? Or does music your sole thing right now?
You said music, yeah, man. Others from music, as I tell you, outline football, man.
Okay. So you're a professional footballer now?
Was operative word. But yeah, I'm music good, man.
Okay, so it's music straight.
Music are the way out, We learn the way and just evolve on a talent, how so. Just speak all life through music and the right thing,
Alright then, so currently now, is there any artist currently you would like to work with, or any current collabs coming up, persons you want to,
Well, music, you never know the limit where music can take us up. We're always open for collab, but yeah, of course, the new wave music, a lot of sound and different artists would like to work with. Like a lot of artists can pay homage to every artist, it really take a lot to do dance also, we pay homage to every artist. So we're open for work. We have a lot of collabs right now. Recently we have some work doing overseas with Fresh Out Records with 2 overseas artists, Wow and Crazy. 2 French artists, Janai, big up Janai, but yeah, I branch out the music, some different type of sound and everything, so, 2022 just kind of broadening the horizon as it relates to reaching broader platforms and other countries, so this was one of the first steps through Fresh Out Records, getting this overseas collab with Wawa and Crazy, yeah.
Okay. So, what are your future plans musically? You want to have your own empire, your own studio, your own record label? Talk to us, tell us.
We've been working on that musically. Hope to accomplish through music. Well, hope to set a foundation for us. Everybody want to reach. We just have focus on do good music and hope to accomplish out of music a few good tracks so people can relate on it, like universal music, like
okay, so you want to be a household name?
Yeah, not something just where, I listen to that next month it's gone.
Okay.
As you say, a household name, so yeah, a studio and everything, that I go come in play, because I just do work and then the money talk and then everything fall in place, joke.
Okay. So currently the level of what dancehall is at right now, which has an artist name forcing themselves into the business, but I realize you are more relaxed, you're doing it the right way, you're doing it that patient way. what are your advice for young upcoming artists who want to make it all just like you?
Well, my advice to young upcoming artists, as in me, consider myself as a upcoming artist myself,
But at least you get home already.
Yeah, me the more tell a young upcoming artist that everything it has to be with consistency, same with life, you know, consistency, you know, work and you know the work ethic is just the work ethic and the meds. To get me, if I something we love, you just have to go feet straight. At the end of the day, and they are forever. You get me answer? Same like football, at the same method we come in the music with us. Me was always a workhorse at football. So now we transpire all of that in the music will come. You see we releasing video every month. Like you know, a lot of people are say, oh, how them you that over there so how them can relate. It's me. Just work and make it out of nothing. With some close friend around it. Go see the G man, you know. So at the end of the day, I just work my bro. So my advice to any young artist right now is to work ethic, you know.
Alright, so currently you say you have an EP to be released. When will this EP be released?
Well, the EP's official release date is set for 25th of February of this year. So yeah, 45 to Dust. As I said earlier, yesterday we released the first project of the 45 to Dust. 45 to Dust EP is basically a compilation of songs where, you know, a different side that Jamaica and the world never see. They're more used to the hardcore chopping, you know, like more went in on this one and, you know, get its structure and everything and tell our life, you know, like we tell our life on the rhythm them right now. So that is it right now with close friends. And the EP was kind of structured that way, as in with only close friends, you know, as I outlined earlier, Main Focus Records, Frasso Records, Akeem, big up one time, you know, G, Slick, Sparadan, everybody, you know, close friends with City Dream, so we kind of keep that, you know, tell our life through my music, you know, through this EP. So,
okay, yeah. So basically those are some of the producers featured on your EP.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
You know, as in, we just working and a lot of opportunity coming along. The more we work, the more a bigger opportunity coming. There's a lot of show overseas where yeah, those government will be flying this year and trying to, you know, expand some shows overseas. We just kind of cooperating with this whole corona thing and hoping that, you know, the pandemic kind of ease a little so that we can be up more out there, because, you know, during the time, we are in the time where the pandemic is going on right now, so we never really get to take on a big stage show per se, or so just, you know, gradually step by step getting there. But yeah, for sure, we're looking to go overseas real soon. Okay.
Other day I was going through social media and I saw you had a very lively performance somewhere in Mobile. Tell us about that performance. It was very, the response I saw the people gave you were very, very hearty, like Mobile at your place.
Man, no joke, man. Big up Mobile, man. As in the performance, it was a good performance per se. It was my first time really interacting with the crowd per se, you know. Because as I said, we never try to make we ego get away, so we still I learn, and it's good to know that I still I learn and I have friends and producers and close friends around me. But you know, say, I got my look around and I do a song and I can look around and say, Jaja, this motivate me more when I look around and see my friend, you know. So at the end of the day, that performance there was solely about that. It was solely about coming out the shell, you know. Yeah, stepping up. But it was a good performance per se. That was in Mobile. We did a look, you know, show, and it was a good response. As you said, it was a good response social media everywhere, because we kind of open up and step out the shell more, you know, interact with the crowd and everything. And the song Chopper Walk getting a good response. Chopper Walk featuring Shemjed Bad Slave, big up yourself one time, you know.
Alright, so Mr. Hink, what's the first thing a fan say to you when they see you in public?
Yeah, man, the first thing I'm gonna say, man, how much I spend on your tattoo? Yeah, because from them see the ink, you know, we been prepared myself mentally and work on the image per se. This was always we still as I say me and my friend them. This is how we look on a fight, on a try to look like this. As me Ink Club one time, you know all of the ink them, Ink Club, Prince Ink, Accurate, you know, Fabulous, One Government man. But yeah. First thing them say, the ink, you know. Yeah, bro.
And so you're basically saying that you use your body to tell a story.
Yeah. Yeah, we use the body to tell a story. We use the image to separate it from the best because at the end of the day, there's a lot of person that are people, are artists per se might have an ink, but check the stock when you talk about ink. We bro, from it to toe, bro.
Alright, okay. Alright, so is there anybody you would like to give a shout out to? Any family member, any community, any other artist you would like to give a
Man, for sure, man, big up to 876Muzik, you know. Come up on the ground and, you know, give you the opportunity for give you voice heard. But yeah, a lot of people want first and foremost want big up Jamaica, want big up the listening, those fans, you know. But being I give me the listening ears because at the end of the day it wouldn't even be possible now. Like everybody know me through football, but I want to make this possible right now, you know, I still a work. I want to big up Frost Out, you know, Frost Out Records, Main Focus Records, I want to big up Ink Club, Portmore, you see me, Accurate, you know, I want to big up Paradan, all of this government, you know the thing me, I want to big up my place, Main Pen, you know, Main Pen, Maxi, the whole place, my friend, I want to big up One Plan, yeah, man, everybody will see the dream, man, you know, yes, yeah.
Alright.
If I miss out anybody, you know the thing, bro.
Okay. Well, the fan will hear this first on 876Muzik,
Yeah.
but the song I want you to give me a piece of the Chopper Walk. I love it because you don't know, I've met the walk.
Yeah, man, never go. Sing to those that. Make queer dog, make you chopper walk past you. Who a talk dog, them nah chop at all. Money green starch, we never chop a grass. You a million a day, so we fuck you cash up. Make queer dog, make you chopper walk past. G slicks white crime, yeah we grab credit. Lift on it, I'm a dog, them a fraud, yeah we love. And chop it like big chop on the tar, GLE double part. We go tint up that, cause a gunman car see place in a dust. Fully does government. Pull on my way, pull off the days. In club game, never stop a arcade. Bleach out skin, white toothpaste. Chopper them a be 30 grand pan a spray. That's government 876 and no. Murder. Murder. You know the crime. You will see it. You see we out there, my friend. You know, Main Focus, Accurate, you know the thing. You know those government, you know the thing with my father. But you will say Accurate.
Yeah man, I want those government. Is it Accurate? Upcoming for the music scene said we not no drop yet, but look out for it under those government. You know say, chopper man a banger, man a scammer. Yeah. Money on the line and a hanger. Yeah. Those government for that one yeah. Yeah.
Yeah man, you know One Focus man here.
Hot days make a girl a turn it. I want to live a Maurice Bulgar. Me say, hot days up. Top 10 so real chopper friend you those government.
Yeah man, look out for all it more man, you hear that? 45 to dust.
Never damn father.
February, you hear? Yeah man, all focus, all road lead to that.
Yeah,
You hear?
big up Spain Town.
From Spain to Grand Spain, so you know what thing go?
Maxfield.
Murder.
Yeah man,
Maybe
big up
Maxfield.
Said we Ink Club straight, Prince,
One
Fabulous.
go.
Yeah.
One Focus, you hear? Deaf.
Think more than skin, my friend.
You
Big
hear?
up Frost Out Records.
Chop it.
Lie.
Yeah, that 30
Frost Out
February,
Records,
yeah.
straight up.
Yeah.
How am there?
Every night you a fight with me go. Yeah. Tears on your cry. When you die. If me die. Don't cry. We share one class,
close. And from me I gone for a night, me nah gonna do. My heart start know, my soul start grow. A couple things apart, then like I know. And from me I gone, every feeling stand. Smoking a joke, feel alone when me can't. It breeze from the past, when me can't carry on. Dark up me heart like it I up on the cars of the car. When you die, if me die, don't cry. For me every year pass I keep feelings hard. 2 o'clock at night for me up with them I want food. I talk to myself in a man that does my heart. People me love can't know I'm on heart me. Damn it, ask me girl me nah got it. Mentally fuck up the drugs in my system. Dream about dead suicide and history. PTSD for me lungs that are freezing. When you don't cry. Mommy never did it all just when you touch him and go feels it. No, cause you did it on me and feel like I feel me fall to myself on a ball. See him black boy, them style don't style. Him never man scar just cause he when he hard. Chop a jail 2 times, who did it for me dad? Start pretty corrupt from me touch back a yard man. Better just pass them say a sacrifice. When you die, if me die, don't cry.
You urged him.
Yeah, man. Maybe I said me now. Accurate.
Blood in my tears. Every night up I fight for me ghost.
Yes, fire one.
Run the African one, get it.
I'll share red fire one.
Chop down, yeah she know chopper style of use her tongue. Me not too talk enough, get her head and cut. Yo, jazzy ready and he start load the cup.